Hi everybody, welcome to Lifecom India. Today I'm again up with some new exciting recipe. Guess what? It's omelette in a hole. So, if you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. So, let's get started. Now, before starting the recipe, we need some ingredients like 6 pieces of bread, 2 eggs, chopped onion and tomato. You can always use your favorite vegetables of your choice, salt to taste, and little pepper, and oil to fry. Now, let's move on to the part of making it. Cut the middle portion of the bread in a square shape and keep the middle portion aside. Next, chop the onion and tomatoes and nicely whisk the egg with salt and pepper. Mix the onion and tomatoes with that egg. Heat a pan and give some oil on it. Now, place the breads on the pan and just slightly roast one side. Give a little amount of egg mixture in the hole and close it with the middle portion. Now, fry both the sides of the bread and serve hot. And now this yummy recipe is ready to serve hot with some tomato sauce. It's really yummy. So you guys need to try it at home and give me the comments. If you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.